procrastination, I don't eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it, no, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it, love, love, love.
What's up guys, I'm back with another review and today I have the Galaxy Watch Active with me here. This fitness focused smartwatch succeeded the Gear Sport with a new design. But unlike the Samsung Gear series which had a physical dial, this houses a haptic bezel. You can also find a cover for the smartwatch, but keep in mind that the cover makes it harder to use the haptic bezel. It comes with all the basic smartwatch features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC and so on, and it also can work standalone. And since it's a Samsung based fitness product, it is paired up with the Samsung Health app. It provides the usual fitness tracking, sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, weight, water level and even caffeine level in your body. It also has one of the most desired features of all times, always on display. So it's a Super AMOLED panel which gets pretty bright in the outdoors, so you won't have much issues viewing it outside. But it's a 24Hz display, so you might have issues recording videos of the watch outside the normal conditions. So it has a heart rate sensor which you can use to sense your heart rate, and it also has water resistance up to 50 meters of depth. Also provides us with auto stress tracking and high heart rate alerts. So you can also use all the basic smartwatch apps like gallery and music. You can even install third-party apps through the Galaxy Store. It requires you to have a Samsung account per se to install it, and also requires you to always be connected to your phone while an app needs to be installed. So you can use this to reply and receive messages. It's pretty straightforward since it has a mic and also inbuilt emojis, so you can directly send emojis to your friends as replies. I don't know why I sent this emoji to him, but yeah. And then you can also have a torch. Okay, that's a torch. It kind of helps in the dark, but I don't know, didn't test it much. It has enough brightness to last you the entire outdoor sessions. And one thing to note, that it does not have good battery life. If you're connected to your phone all the time, it lasts around 6 hours. If not, it lasts for a day. You can also choose like from various watch faces, and some of them are also customizable. So that was it. And is it a worthwhile buy? So if you are looking for a smartwatch and by a reputed brand like Samsung, sure, go for it. It performs all the basic fitness tracking and also the smartwatch apps. Or if you're just looking for a smartwatch and at not much of a high steep price like 19K as this is not the watch for you. Hope you like the video. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.